How to appear offline in Diablo Immortal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you want to play Diablo Immortal peacefully without invites, messages, or random party requests, then you can go ahead and be offline in the game. First of all, launch open the Diablo Immortal game, and once you're inside the main game screen, go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu button at the top right corner from the home screen, and then tap on the friends icon or the two human icons at the top, and you will see your drop down right where you see your battle tag. Simply tap on it and select appear offline. Once you do that, you'll appear offline in the game. Now you can enjoy the game with fewer distractions. Your friends will not know that you are online. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.